Got another video here regarding some of the questions I've received about the creating an amazing stock portfolio spreadsheet in Excel video or post. Particularly this time, I want to address a question I get pretty often, which is what to do if you have different purchase dates for different lots of the same stock. And that is actually a good question because it's not really obvious on how to handle that, but I've got two ideas for how you might go about that. We're looking at the spreadsheet here, and in particular, we're going to be looking at this company, this Valley National Bank Corp, VLY. See all the pertinent details right there. Let's pretend this is your portfolio. This Valley National Bank Corp you purchased in two separate lots. One of the two things you can do is simply list the two separate lots in your portfolio, something like this. Valley National Bank Corp, Lot 1, Lot 2. You'll want to leave the symbol VLY, of course, and not put any sort of indication of different lots there because of the Google Finance function wouldn't recognize it then. But if you look here, we've got two separate lots, and one was purchased on March 9th, 2014 at $10.61, 59 shares. And this is the amount of dividends received on that particular lot since. Then you've got your second lot here purchased on September 15th of 2014, $9.46, cheaper price, about 141 shares. And here you can see the dividends you've received since. You can list them out like that. That's fine, and look at the performance of each lot separately. Or you can do something similar to what I've done here for my example. If you take the portfolio and the worksheet and duplicate it, okay, so you got a copy there, and you can delete everything out. And if you type your separate lots in here, what it's going to do at the top for you is give you the information you would need to put in one single lot. Okay, so see what it did here, based off of these purchase dates and the number of shares, gave me a purchase date of 7/16/14. That matches what's here. I'll get the purchase price in just a second. Of course, you'll know the sum total of the shares you have. You put that in there, and you'll know the sum of the dividends. And then all that's really left, if you want to group it all together into one entry, is to come up with a weighted average purchase price. And you can see that I did that here, and all I did was take the number of shares divided by 200, my total number of shares, and took it times the first purchase price, then 141 shares divided by 200, took it times the second purchase price. So that gives me a weighted average purchase price. So right here, if you don't want to do separate lots in the portfolio, make a copy of the worksheet, clear everything out, and type your separate lots in there, and most of the information you're going to need is going to be automatically calculated for you. All you got to do is come up with this weighted average price. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how to deal with this particular issue. Thanks to the people who've emailed, commented, and brought that up, and hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching.